Okay, as you can see that I've got a quad hub that I bought from the internet, and it's only got 1.25 inch OD on the boom. So a length of it, it sag after say 30 feet, but it also causes twist being such a small diameter. So what we've done is made this bracket that can slide up and down, or you can put it whichever way you want it, and you can just hook some non-conductive material like this. Just hook it on, show you. Okay, now you can bring it right to the center and it will stabilize the ends, as you can see. So I'll take this off, and I'll go and take it off and just show you exactly what this little bracket looks like. It's very simple to make. It'll work on larger diameter booms, I'd imagine, doing it this way. And I hope this helps anyone that's got the problems with the boom sagging or twisting and flying in the wind, if you know what I mean. And I suppose, well, that's about it.